Hello everyone, this is Serious Monkey and welcome to another short Warzone tutorial. You've probably been in a situation where your friend is online on the PlayStation Network, but nowhere to be found in Warzone. How are you supposed to join him? This is how you do it. Firstly, you need to be in the same party chat as your friend. As I've shown you in my previous video, the fastest way to create a party chat is to hold the PS button on your controller, which will open up the quick menu. Next, go to Friends, select the three dots next to your friend's gamertag and create a party. Now, as soon as a friend has joined the party, open your quick menu again and scroll up to Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Then select Other Sessions and you can see your friend's game sessions. Press the X button and hit join. If you followed all the steps, you should be joining your friend in Call of Duty. And that's about it, you're ready to go. For any question or suggestion, please refer to the comment section. Thank you for watching.